stages of requirement management process starts with planning. Organizations decide how teams will analyze, document, validate, and govern changes to requirements working within Agile, the V model, or other processes. Development is about over many iterations, requirements or epics evolve from high-level vision to detailed requirements and user stories, with success criteria defined via associated test cases. Validation and change management is for teams working to ensure that documented requirements meet market and user needs and make changes to requirements as appropriate. For system verification, as the product takes shape, teams test it to verify that each iteration meets the documented specifications. And finally, the ultimate aim is to deliver a product or service that satisfies the requirements agreed to, so that requirements engineering naturally flows into the design and manufacture or implementation.